Hi Rosina, this is Abe here. I thought I would just create a quick video for you, and maybe this will help to explain how I did things yesterday. Here you can see I'm logged into the back end of your website, and I'm clicked on pages already. I'm showing all your pages. So a quick way to find the page I'm looking for is I just go to the search box up here and type in family hyphen registry, hit enter, and it should load up the page here shortly. There it is. So I click on family registry. Now I click on edit with Elementor. Alright, so here it shows the information here on the left, and then on the right it shows the actual page. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click on the edit button here, and it opens up this editor here on the left hand side. Now here's where it gets a little bit tricky. I'm going to first of all go down to the bottom here and pull this down so we have a little bit more room to work. Alright, so I'm going to be moving between visual and text. So you might want to save this video, by the way, so you have it for future reference. So what I did is I looked down here first and I saw that, you know, the name that you wanted, what was it again? Goldman. Alphabetically, that would appear right after Goebel. So I just copied the name Goebel. And over here, I switched to text. Now, this is all code, HTML code. And I don't want you to get too concerned about it. But now, on your browser, if you hold Control F, Control F, it opens up this little search box here. And in there, I'm going to paste the word, oh, it didn't work. I'm going to paste the word, or write the word Goebel then. And you'll see on the left side, it's highlighted the Goebels. All right. Now, here's where you have to be a little bit careful. So we want it to appear after Goebels, which it is here right now. But what I did is if you look at these tags here, this means table row, this one here. And with a forward slash means the end of the table row. All right. So if I just copy this, highlight all of this, right? So now I've copied the whole thing about the Goebel in the row. Once I've highlighted it all, I right click and I go copy. All right, so now it's in my memory. Now I click behind the last table row, the forward slash table row, and I press enter, and that creates a little space there between that, and then I go paste, or right click paste, whichever way you like to do it. So now if I go back to visual, if I go down now, and you should see two Goebels are the same. And there they are. This one and no, those two aren't the same. Oh, hang on. These two are the same. Martin, and then there's the one I put in yesterday. So now, since we have two the same, you can go in now and click here and change this to whatever you want. You could have Schmidt, comma, Rosina, and whatever information you want. And then the same thing here, you can now paste your link. And the way this works is you type in whatever you want. So let's say I'll put the word link, and you can type whatever you want there. Now you click on it, and up here, this is where you insert a link. So you click that. Now a little box opens up, and this is where you're going to paste the link for what you sent me here, which was this one here. So I'm going to copy that. You don't need to copy, you could just type it in yourself if you want, and paste it in and go, okay. So now, I'm going to save this and I'm going to delete it again later, but okay. So now we go down here in the bottom where it says update, click that. All right, so now if I go to your website, home page, which I'm going to just copy this. Actually, I'll go to your email and just do it this way. I'll click on the registry link that you sent me yesterday. And now if I go down, you should see Schmidt Rosina right there, and link, and I click on that link, and it goes to Goldman, which I just pasted in there. All right, so now I'm going to remove that. So again, I'm going to have to go to text, this Control F, or Command F on my Mac, and this time I'm going to search for Schmidt because I put it in there. And now I'm assuming you're in there already, so I've got to be careful to remove the right one. Maybe what's better for me to do is go to instead Goldman and take out the one before that, and there it is. So here you can see what I put in earlier, table row / table row, everything in between, and this is what I typed in, Schmidt Rosina. Actually, I need to go all the way down to here because I want to remove the link as well. And there we go, table row. Okay, so we have this, the whole thing here that has to be removed. So I'm just going to delete that, backspace, update. Now if I go back to the front end of the page and reload, it should go from Goebel to Goldman. So things are back to normal. Anyway, that's how we do it. I know it's a little bit confusing, probably a little bit of stuff in there, but anyway, that's it. Good luck.